Okay, the company I have chosen is called PostNet. It is actually local here in Paragould, and thus it had. Oh no, is it working or not? No. Right now, they're. It's called PostNet, and it is basically it's designing and process of graphic design. I honestly prefer stuff like this since it doesn't just rely on graphic design. I've always been kind of interested in how the newsroom works and how mail works as well. As you can see, they do marketing, personal projects, local design, business stationery. Let's try logo design. First step to making your business stand out from the crowd is by doing. Due to its graphic design, I decided to go with this one due to, like I said, I'm interested in graphic design. Anyway, it was originally founded in 1993, and it has a lot, basically 700 places around America and Central America and South America and Africa. Huh, I didn't know about Africa. Founded by Paulo Vierli and Giuseppe Rudi. It provides tracking, packaging, and packing and shipping services. Sorry, that's my dishwasher in the background. Packing supply, shipping carrying choices, custom packaging, follows up by USP, FedEx, United States Postal Service, and authorized shipping center. And it follows around creative solutions, like say graphic design. It specializes in making logos and other stuff I'm interested in since it provides I am interested in creating logos and stuff like that. I'm not very talented, but I can make a logo. This is so bad. and it makes your own brand.